Hello there! In today's video, I will show you how to edit the digital washi tapes and weekly spreads that come with my planner. In the description box, you will find the link to the planner along with a discount code. When you open the Keynote file, you will see 2 digital stickers and 3 weekly spreads with instructions. We are going to start with the washi tapes. Go to the second slide. On your keyboard, press the keys Command and A. You will notice the stickers on the screen are selected. Now move your mouse towards the right side of the screen. Use the Fill option to select a new color. I personally prefer to use images on my washi tape as it gives them a beautiful pattern. Go to the Fill option, select Image, and click on Choose. In your computer, find a digital image or pattern for your stickers. To copy the stickers, right-click on any of the washi tapes. Click on the word Copy, go to the weekly spread New Digital Planner, right-click on any part of the planner and select Paste. Let's work on the borders for the weekly spread. On your keyboard, press the keys Command and A. Go to the right side of the screen and choose a new color or image. Do you remember how to transfer the stickers to your planner? Right-click on one of the borders, select Copy, go to the weekly spread, right-click on any part of the planner, and select Paste. Ready to start working on your weekly spreads? Let's transfer them to your digital planner. On your keyboard, press the keys Command and A. Now lift your fingers and press the keys Command and C. Go to your digital planner. Using the mouse, select the old spread. Be careful not to select the tabs. Once the spread is selected, click the Delete button on your keyboard. I am putting the calendar aside as I'm going to copy and paste the dates into the new calendar. To paste the weekly spread, simply click the keys Command V on your keyboard. Click twice on the old calendar and select all the squares. Right-click on the calendar and press the keys Command and C. Go to the new calendar, select all the squares, right-click on the calendar and select Paste and Match Style option. I created a separate video that explains step-by-step how to easily change the text, fonts, and tabs of the planner. I will link the video in the description box. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Don't forget to play with the other weekly spreads to spice up your digital planner. Alright, the second part of this video walks you step by step how to edit the washi tapes and weekly spreads on your iPad. Let's begin with the washi tapes. Click on the screen, choose Select Objects. At the bottom of the screen, select All. At the top right of the screen, select the paintbrush icon. Click on the Fill box. Here you can choose a different color for the stickers. To choose a different image, click on the Image tab, change image, and then select Insert From. I save all my digital papers in OneDrive and make the folder offline. This makes the images load faster and prevents the app from crashing. Once you're done selecting the image for the stickers, click the Done button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the word Copy. Now, let's open a new Keynote window. gently slide your finger from the bottom of the iPad to reveal the menu bar. Gently press on the Keynote app and drag it to the right side of the screen. Find the digital planner. It might be in the Downloads folder. Click on the planner and go to one of the weekly spreads. Click on the screen and select the word Paste. Okay, now we're going to repeat the same steps to change the color of the border stickers. I am showing the steps in a slow motion, that way you can see which items I am clicking on the screen. Here is a quick view of how the stickers look up close. Now we're going to work on the weekly spreads. Click on the screen and choose Select Objects. Click on Copy and go to the digital planner. I am moving the calendar to the side as I'm going to copy the dates into the new calendar. From the bottom right of the screen, drag your finger across the spread to select it. Make sure to avoid selecting the tabs. You don't want to accidentally delete the hyperlinks. Now click on the screen and select the word Paste. Remember we put the calendar to the side? Well, tap on the calendar twice and use the blue dot to select everything inside the calendar. Then select the word Copy. Go to the new calendar and tap on it twice. Select all the squares and then choose the word Paste. Did you know all my digital planners are editable? Yup. You can easily change the font, titles, tabs, background of the planner, and more. Make sure to check out the planner in my shop. Don't forget to check the description box for a discount code. Okay, let's export the planner to see how the weekly spreads and stickers look in the GoodNotes app. To click on the hyperlinks of the planner, make sure to select the pen on the top right of the screen. While I was looking at the beautiful gold borders, I remember the editable stickers that I have in Keynote. Let me show you how I easily copy and paste the stickers from Keynote to GoodNotes. The stickers are editable. You can change them to any color or image, just like the washi tapes. Here is a quick preview of the digital planner. Each month includes a calendar, weekly spreads, meal plan, habit tracker, mood tracker, savings tracker, spending tracker, and extra planning pages. Each planning page includes a dot, grid, line, and blank pages.